I'm Josh Hughes and a partner in the Complex Injury Department. I followed quite a traditional route into the law, so I did my undergraduate degree and postgraduate course in South Wales, where I'm originally from, and then I carried on to do my training contract in a high street firm in Newport, South Wales. That's when I had my first taste of personal injury work. But then on qualification I moved to Australia for a year, which was very much the done thing at the time, and I worked for an anti-corruption commission in New South Wales, returning in 2013 where I got my first post-qualification role in serious injury work. That was in Wiltshire, and I was there for 4 years before making the big jump to London, where I was asked to head up the complex injury team in 2017. Well, I had my first taste of personal injury work as a trainee, and I think I knew then that the kind of law that I wanted to specialise in was the kind of law where you've got to really get to know individual clients as opposed to commercial clients, understand their objectives and use the law in a way which could actually have a tangible benefit in their lives. I think the thing I love about my job the most is the buzz of settling a client's claim in their favour, and that's for a couple of reasons really. The first is that it represents the end result of something that you and your team have worked really hard for, but I suppose most importantly it's that it represents the start of something new for a client and their family as well. And whilst an injury can mean that their life looks very different after an accident, it can still be a life that's full of opportunity and happiness and, hopefully with the right award, financial security. Before I became a partner here at BBK, I was asked to participate in a new course called the Lawyers to Leaders, which is a course that was developed and created by the equity partners here at Burdon, Kemp, to help senior lawyers within the firm transition from being a solicitor to being a leader and understanding how running a business really works. So that was help with strategy, with decision making, HR issues, business accounts, all those skills necessary to be a leader in the field. I think that was a really unique experience that not a lot of solicitors have the opportunity to embark on before becoming a partner. I enjoy working at BBK because there's a genuine commitment to a work-life balance, and I know that's a bit of a buzzword for a lot of organisations and firms at the moment, particularly in recent times, but BBK have been walking the walk for many years now. I mean, the 9 to 5 days in the office a week doesn't really have to exist if it means that it's getting in the way of you producing your best work. And we've also just initiated a new concept called Wellbeing Wednesdays, where you can get involved in meditation, fitness classes, yoga. So it really demonstrates that commitment to that work-life balance. I think the one thing that really stands out is the first time that I had to appear on television speaking on behalf of the firm. That's because it was so far outside of my comfort zone and something I just never dreamed of ever doing. I mean, I didn't tell anyone about it outside of work that I was going to do it because I was so scared that I would mess it up. But fortunately, it went quite well, and I feel quite proud of doing that. I think it would be that it's never too early to start trying to work out where your passion lies, what your values are, and where you want your career to go, and building your own brand. New ideas and perspectives are not the reserve of senior partners or partners at all at BBK. So if you were to join, we encourage and in fact reward new ideas and fresh perspectives on things. So I think that would be it, just to kind of believe in your ideas and share them whenever they come about.